Vlogmas day 21, right? 21. And I'm having Jonathan take pictures of me right now because I haven't posted one in so long. So I'm sitting on my stairs using one of my presents as a prop. Turn the light on. Alright, let's do this. There we are. Hey guys, 8 hours later now. It is actually already almost nighttime. It's like, okay, well, it's not nighttime, but it's like 4 or something now and the sun's starting to go down, and it's been really cloudy today, so it kind of just feels like the day's over already. But I kind of thought I was gonna be hanging out with Chloe earlier, but it's not gonna be until a little bit later. She's busy right now, so I'm just kind of hanging around. I took some pictures and I posted them on the Instagram, so if you're not following my Instagram, make sure to go do that. It's down below as always. But yeah, I've just been chilling. But I'm starting to get hungry, and we're supposed to go out to eat tonight, and I'm really excited about it. But yeah, I literally put on 2 different hats and was gonna wear them, and then I took them off because I decided not to. And now my hair is just flat because I was wearing a hat for a while because I was set on it, and then I took it off. Yeah, but I'm wearing these really cute earrings. Let me show you. So I'm wearing these earrings. They're like hoop earrings with you know, dazzly stuff on them, and then I have a pimple right there. My dogs are fighting. Hey, you're on camera, act nice. Why did that work? Hey, you're on camera, act nice. Wow, that works. Alright, it has been another like hour-ish, I guess. I'm hangry now. It's dark outside now. I changed again. I changed like 3 times because I was just like bored, and I don't know, just changed, and it got colder, so I progressively changed throughout the day. I'm excited because we're exchanging gifts today, so that'll be fun. I can't believe Christmas is in 4 days. It's so crazy to me, but I'm also like, I'm really excited for it. I'm really excited for, you know, like Christmas Eve and Christmas. I love like Christmas Eve because, you know, like we read like the Christmas story in the Bible, and I don't know exactly what. I think we're gonna go look at some lights and stuff. Probably watch a Christmas movie, but yeah, and then it's gonna be so much fun. I'm gonna be really sad after Christmas is over because that means school starts back up soon, and then summer comes and everything just goes downhill from there. I mean, my birthday is in March, so that's coming up, I guess. Honestly though, I keep coming to the realization that the older that I get, the less excited I am for my birthdays. I'm sure it's like that for everyone else, but I'm turning 22. I feel like 21 was like my last exciting year, and now I'm like, I'm getting old. So I'm 22, or I'm turning 22, and I'm not excited. I'm like, now I'm kind of like, oh, I don't know if I want to get older. But I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Like, honestly, I'll probably not do anything except for like go to dinner with some friends or something. Like, birthdays just aren't as big of a deal anymore, you know? I hit my golden age of 21. I mean, it wasn't really golden. I don't drink or anything, so that wasn't like the reason why, but I feel like it's just like the last, that's not gonna sound right. I feel like it's the last age that like to get excited about, you know? I don't know. Comment down below and let me know what you guys asked for Christmas. Okay.
Hello, Vlogmas.
Been a minute. We're getting ready. We're gonna go get some dinner.
It takes so long when you have extensions.
Right, but they look good. All in black. Let me get her. Oh, she's by my purse. Hi. What are you doing? Alright, Chloe's gonna open her presents for me now. Okay.
Alright. Should I open this one first?
Whatever you want.
Oh my gosh, you did not give me the Eggo. Oh my god. What? Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's so exciting. That is so exciting.
Like, ooh, that's a good gift.
Yeah, that is, oh my gosh. That is so cool.
Yeah, it takes effort to get them open.
Oh! Ooh, I've always wanted one of these.
Really?
I haven't gotten one yet.
Oh, I've never had one, never tried one.
Oh, mattifying toner. Oh,
like,
that's my stuff right there. Cool.
I was like, that's cool. It's like electric blue, apparently.
Oh, cool.
Next time you sleep over, we should do that.
Yes. Well,
yeah,
there goes that.
Pajamas.
Oh my gosh. Yay. So,
those like soft and cute.
These are so cute. Thank you. I love it.
And then I texted you the last one.
Oh.
The presets. I got 2 of them for you.
can't wait to see what those look like.
Right, I know.
We also need to take pictures because I have none. So
yeah, I know.
I'm like, I realize I'm like so close.
I had one on yours too, but it fell off. Oh.
Their sets were different this year. So I was like trying to figure out.
I literally just got stabbed. I just threw away the empty container of the one that I, so that's perfect timing. That's exciting. Yes, and I use those things all the time. Thanks.
I was like, where are all the other ones? I'm like, it's this year? Last year they had like quite a few of them.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I love me
Or like
socks.
feel the inside.
Ooh,
I know.
Those are soft.
I know. So they kind of go with each other.
Okay. Ooh, extreme gift. I thought I said extremely gifted.
That too.
That's
Extreme
cute.
gifter.
Oh, I like that. Okay, these are like way better than the ones that I bought for myself.
I saw the ones that you bought and I was like, I'm glad she said that she didn't really like them.
I was looking and I was
I got those like a month ago.
No, I like
probably.
these. I'm gonna wear this on Christmas instead. Because those ones I was like, I couldn't find any like cute Christmas ones for some reason, and all the ones that I did find were expensive. Thanks, that's so exciting. I love cozy stuff.
Wait, like,
We're at dinner now. The food's not here yet, but we got the chips. So, but we just ordered, and we're waiting on our next guest. I got taquitos. What'd you get?
it's not gonna make any sense.
Oh yeah, it's
It's a taco, a
enchilada,
and
tamale, or no? It just looks like one.
I think the dinner one has a tamale.
And beans.
That's the difference. And beans.
Yeah. Introduce yourself.
Introduce yourself.
Is this a recording?
Yeah.
He's so uncomfortable.
What's your name?
How am I doing these?
Steven, he's a horse trainer. He's really great, and he's leaving.
That's all you'll see of him. Bye.
The last you'll see of him.
Yeah.